Hey folks, this is Blake. Just finished another project. This was a fairly quick turnaround project, and it involves making, using accessibility buttons like these that are hooked up to a little box, and I'm dropping it, like this, and you can't see it because I can't bring it up enough. It's this little Don Johnson Switch Interface Pro 6. The nice thing is this is an accessibility device. These plug into it, and the computer just sees it as a keyboard. Nothing terribly special. So there's one student in particular that uses these buttons to interact with the computer. The problem is all of the software only allows two options because he only has two buttons, right? So the left and a right side, or one or two. So I took the concept of binary search, binary tree, and applied that to this, wrote a quick little application. So this is that demo application. It's freely available on GitHub. Anybody can go get it, extend it to use more buttons, add colors, or do whatever they want with it. But I just wanted to give a quick demo of it. So here's the program as it starts. This is where like a teacher would be, right? They can just click this to open up the lesson folder. Quickly add a new lesson by just doing a new folder, calling it I don't know, we'll do one that's cats, and then just pop open a web browser, right? And I like to get the photos from Wikimedia, the Wikimedia Commons, because they are free and available, many of them. So we can just do a quick search for cats, and sure enough, we can just pull up some cat photos. Right, and then drop them into this new cats folder. Alright, so what we're doing is we're picking the images that the student can choose from. There we go. Alright, so now we have 4 images in the Lessons Cats folder. And you'll see the program has automatically picked up that there's a new folder there called Cats. And so you can just hit go. When you hit go, the program comes up, and in this case we have a green and a yellow button, and so the images are split into a green side and a yellow side. So then you just pick the corresponding button. So if the question is which cat has the yarn, you can press the yellow button, and then it takes these 2 images, blanks them out so that you can see what they were, but they're not available anymore, and then the remaining 2 images, one is green, one is yellow, and the student makes another selection. Boom. So within 2 button presses, the student has chosen one of 4 options. So that worked really good, and so I kept going. And this will take an abstract number of images. So in this case, there's 25 images. It can't divide it evenly, so it does its best job. And if you say, where is the kangaroo? All right, you press the yellow button again, now the green button, and in 4 button presses, somebody with limited mobility that only has 2 choices has gone from 25 options and has selected one particular item. So this adapter can hold up to 5 buttons, so you can do a lot more buttons. We could also talk about adding a back button or other things like that. This is kind of experimental software, but I'm putting it out there, freely available. It wasn't really that much work to write. So if people want to extend it or try it on other students or use it in other ways, by all means, go for it. So on this particular adapter, the buttons are associated with the spacebar and the enter bar, or the enter button. So you can just whack whichever of those. So you can even just try it on your own personal keyboard, as you can hit the spacebar or the enter bar and give it a shot. That's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or anything, feel free to get in touch with me in the comments below or on Facebook or whatever. Take care and have a good one. Bye.